Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be washing all my mochis because, as you know, mochis are very sticky fidget. You can get dirty easily. So yeah, let's just find my mochis. I don't think they're in the pop it section. Those are stress balls and fidget. Those are also stress balls. Maybe. No. Oh, found them. Okay. So there's 3 in here and 2 in there. Now let's just close that cap. Okay, got my mochis. Okay, now let's go. Okay. So gotta set these down. I need to get a towel. I did not come prepared. Okay. Let's do this thing. Which one should I? You know what? I'm gonna wash this one first. It's white. Okay. Okay, so just gotta do this. Oh my gosh, this is dirty. This is dirty. You know, this is actually a really fun, like, thingy, majiggy. I don't know what to call it. Okay, now we're gonna get some soap. Rub it on the mochi. Whoop. Okay, let's rub it and put the soap on the mochi. Nice and clean. Now we just gotta rinse the soap. Perfect. Mochi is all clean. So we're gonna put that in the dry area. Next, I think I'm going to do this panda. Okay. Let's get that. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is perfect now. I love it. Okay. So shiny. Next, I think I'm gonna do this thingy. You don't know what to call it. Now we just gotta add some soap. Oh, so I'm doing it off camera. I don't know why. Okay. Got the soap. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so clean. All my mochis are honestly pretty dirty. Like, I never washed them. Boop. Boop. Okay, let's. Also, my friend, Perfectly Belly, you guys should go check out her channel. She gave me this mochi. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. And this was actually my first mochi. Actually, my first mochi was a chick, but I traded it. But this is like the first mochi that I'm gonna keep. Okay. This one's the little bunny. Just gonna wash it. Okay, get some soap. And rub it. Okay. Okay. I love the rub sounds like, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you get it? It's been a long time since you fell in love. Okay, sorry. This isn't you. Okay, let's put the body. So guys, we are literally, okay. At the moment I'm filming this video, it takes a long time to edit, but at the moment I'm filming this video, we currently have 19 subs. So we are the closest thing to 20 subscribers. So please and thank you. Now I gotta get, okay, I'm so sorry. My pink sleeve is literally keep getting in my way. This Actually, I think this bear is my favorite mochi, no offense. But also, fun fact, all the mochis that I have 5 mochis. All of them I never bought. So the orange bear was from my friend. This polar bear and the bunny was from a birthday party in the goodie bag. The tooth was from my friend at a birthday party. And the panda I got when I was fidget trading. So I never bought any mochis. It was like my dream fidget for like a little bit, and then my friend just gave it to me, and I was like, well, it was because I gave them a dimple digit, and they gave me like lots of candy and a mochi. Okay, guys, so I just finished washing all of them. Okay, I need to dry my hands first. Okay, I literally do not know what to do. Okay, I need to dry my hands. We'll do this right here. Oh, man. My camera's so wet. No. Okay. So we got all the mochis. Oh, I dropped some. Okay. First, I gotta dry my hands so I don't get them wet. And then I gotta set out the towel. Okay, perfect. Now let's dry them. This is the professional way to dry them. Just squeeze them. And they're dry. Okay, panda looks pretty clean. Oh my god. They're so, like, sticky. Okay. They're really, I think the bunny mochi especially, is so sticky. Like, the most sticky thing ever. But yeah, guys, that was the end. See you next time. Bye. We can't get any closer.